So one of the things we talk about on Conscious Crypto Traders a lot is the scenarios that can affect the price action. And this is one of them, right? When the Federal Reserve makes an announcement around what's going to happen with the interest rates, that has a potential to drop the S&P 500. And generally when the S&P 500 plummets, it takes Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies down with it. So a lot of YouTubers were talking about this one this week. Shout out to Mango Research, who did an excellent video on this yesterday with Sean and Krisha. We're hoping to get them as speakers on our Conscious Crypto event that's coming up, by the way. So stay tuned to hear more about that. But essentially what we're talking about here is the difference between whether the Fed is hawkish or dovish. These are the two terms you often hear talked about in the industry, right? So a hawkish policy means they're going to raise interest rates, and that usually causes the market to dump. A dovish policy means they're keeping interest rates low, which is more pro-industry. That keeps industry strong, and no market dumping happens. Well, this is about as middle of a road as a press release could ever get. They basically said, okay, we are raising interest rates, but we're not doing it for 18 months. What? So I think the market wasn't quite sure how to react to this. It's like, so do we dump the market or don't we? They're raising interest rates, but we have a reprieve for 18 months. And a lot of traders weren't quite sure, what was going on, right? And I think we saw that reflected in the numbers in the last hour. If you look at the S&P 500, this is what happened in the last hour, right? Big dump, big wick up when they realized, well, we still have 18 months reprieve. We might still see some dumping. It's like the market's having trouble deciding. The bears and the bulls are fighting it out a little bit here, right? If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a blue thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and select all so you'll receive notifications when we upload new videos. Thank you to those of you who've made donations to our channel. All donations received go to support infrastructure projects we do here in our conscious community in Costa Rica. They help provide additional jobs and wonderful infrastructure that helps bring in more tourists to this region. So your contributions do make a really big difference to the people in this area. We also run an advanced mastermind group of volunteers who help us research different scenarios for the price action of Bitcoin. We meet weekly. We discuss things that we might want to dive back into the charts and research, and we help each other and discuss those scenarios. In future, we will be playing additional videos on scenarios that can affect the price of Bitcoin, and many of the things that mastermind comes up with will become videos on this channel. So if you would like to join that mastermind, please feel free to reach out. We'd love to have more people involved. The more people there are, the less work it is for any one of us, and the more solid all of our trading becomes. Thanks for watching Conscious Crypto, and until next time, trade consciously.